In today's video, I'll be sharing the recipe of delicious small fish fry with a beautiful flavor of mustard, and that too with very little oil. Goes very well as a side dish, and I have shared many small tips and tricks to make this fish super crispy and super tasty. Do stay out for this recipe. You will love the recipe. Hey guys, I am Subankari and I welcome you all to my channel Sus Food Corner English, and I hope you all are doing great in your lives. If you are new to my page, to subscribe to my page and not forget to tap the bell button. Thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos so much. So let's begin with this yummy fish fry, classic Indian style. Here I have taken small fish around 250 grams. These are Indian anchovy fish and these are super fresh river fish. The best way to clean is just make a small incision in the sides and then squeeze out the unnecessary part of the fish in this way. Just press it and it will very easily come out. That's it. And now in the same way I'll clean all the fish, wash it 2 to 3 times and drain the excess water. Make sure the fish should be super fresh, and this is it. I have washed it 2 to 3 times and I'll drain the excess water. Make sure when you apply the spice paste, there should not be any excess water. And for the spice paste, I have taken yellow mustard 1 teaspoon, black mustard 1 teaspoon and cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, and this needs to be dry grinded first to make it super smooth once we add water to grind it. So after dry grinding, here I have taken 3 to 4 shallots. If you do not have shallots, you can also take 1 small size onion, but here I have taken shallots. This gives a very nice flavor. And garlic cloves I have taken 4 to 5. These are little large size, so I have taken 2. Half a cup of water and then a nice blend it to a smooth paste. This paste goes on top of this fish. Some turmeric powder, red chilli powder, some coriander powder and salt I have added as per taste. Now it's time to mix. I'll mix this fish with this beautiful spice paste and keep it in this marination for around 10 minutes in normal kitchen counter. 10 minutes is enough for the small tiny fishes to absorb the flavors of the spice paste. But yes, make sure before adding the spice paste there should not be any excess water in the fish. And now it's done. My fish has been beautifully marinated in the spice paste for around 10 minutes. And here to fry these fishes, I have taken my favorite cast iron skillet. Make sure you heat this skillet on high flame for initial 3 to 4 minutes, and once this is nicely heated, I'll add mustard oil around 5 tablespoons. This is mandatory for this recipe. Mustard oil gives a very nice flavor for this recipe, but if you do not want to use mustard oil, it can be replaced with the normal cooking oil. So heat it. Once it adds smoky flavor, then add the fish in batches. 250 grams of fish you can add in 2 batches. Make sure you don't overstuff this skillet. Just make 1 layer. And the most important tip to make super crispy fish is that do not touch these fishes once added for around 4 to 5 minutes in high flame. After 4 to 5 minutes, reduce the flame to medium and wait for 2 to 3 minutes more. So for one side it takes around 7 to 8 minutes, and you can see gradually the moisture will dry up and this fish will start to become crispy. You can see the base, and this is what I was talking about. This is the main tip so that our fish doesn't break. And now after 6 to 7 minutes on medium flame, I'll just flip it over in this way, and the magic has happened. The lower surface of the fish has nicely become crispy because initially we had fried it on high flame. So in high flame the moisture dries out, and in medium flame it becomes crispy and it's looking so yum. You can see the beautiful small tiny pieces coated with this beautiful spice paste. Everything is nicely rounding up, and after I have flipped this fish carefully on medium flame again, I need to just fry for around 3 to 4 minutes more. That's it. And some green chilies I have added after 3 to 4 minutes, 2 to 3, again depends upon your taste. And after adding the green chilies, wait for 1 to 2 minutes and then again just flip it over, and this time you can see the fish has attained beautiful golden color, super crispy, and the color says it all. And total time taken for one batch of fish, I mean 250 grams of fish had fried in 2 batches, it takes around 10 minutes approx, 8 to 10 minutes approx it will take. So that's the time, cooking time, to make this super tiny fishes super crispy. And it has been around 8 to 9 minutes now. To finish it, I'll add lemon juice half teaspoon. After adding lemon juice, just give it a mix and switch off the flame. Before frying the second batch, make sure you take out this fish, clean the skillet with some tissue towel or paper towel, and then fry the next batch. Otherwise the residue of this batch will surely leave some very bad flavor for the second batch. And now it's time to serve this super tasty and super crispy tiny anchovies, perfectly crisped in very minimum oil, and you can see how nice crispy it has turned out. As I said, this goes very well as a side dish. I also enjoy them just with some coriander and mint chutney. Try this, you will love the flavors. And as you have seen, each fish is nicely crisped, it's nicely fried. So this is the beauty of this recipe, simple, tasty and yet packed with flavors. And now it's time for the comment of the day. Today's comment is from Juhi Agarwal. She writes, it was so tasty, thank you so much for sharing. She is actually commenting on the recipe of my Mahaprasad, that's the Puri deity Mahaprasad, Lord Jagannath Mahaprasad, Abhada Thali, what is called, classic typical way I have tried to demonstrate. Thank you so much for this beautiful comment. I am so glad I could be little help to demonstrate the divinity of Puri Mahaprasad. Thank you so much for liking my recipe. And for today's recipe, that's super tasty, super easy and very quick small fish fry, Indian anchovy fish fry. Do give it a try. You can also follow Su's Food Corner English on Instagram and Facebook. And if you have loved today's video, do give it a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my page. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life and happy fooding.